Hello guys, welcome to Pistacchio Graphic. Today I have this project for you. I have the support Arduino for our CNC laser engraver. If you like this design, you can download this drawing in the first link of the description. Let's go! Create a sketch and make some lines here. The middle line. Start with the perimeter of this project here, okay, and here. Connect all the lines. Okay. Make the middle point fixed to the beginning. Start with the first measurement, 84. We need to make the side lines here, 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 the same on the right side. Okay, make these lines collinear. Okay, this is 15 millimeters. These are 22 millimeters here and 56 here. These are 108. These are 100. Create here. I need this middle point. Make this line a construction line and fix this point. Okay. Now I can do it 84. Okay, 84. This is 16. This is the middle of this line. Okay. I need to cut this line here to make this these are 13 millimeters. Have a height of I need to break this line here, make this as a construction line. I can do the same in this place. Okay, make this as a construction line. This is a vertical. Oh, perfect. Now I have the base of this design. Now I can start to do some holes in the product. To fix the Arduino, we have to do some holes here with the tool circle, not a construction. I need 4 holes here, here, and here, and more 2 here, here, more 2 here. Now I select hold the shift button, select all the circles, make this equal, set for 3.3 millimeters, set this line as a construction line, and ground this circle here. I know that it's a 7 millimeters distance. This is vertical align and 38 millimeters. 38 millimeters here. This is 1.5 millimeters. A distance of 5 millimeters here. And set this distance as 51 millimeters. Okay. This is 54 millimeters distance. Set on the middle and 7.5 millimeters distance. These are horizontal lines. Okay, these are aligned horizontal, and these two circles are aligned vertical. We have to fix a 73 millimeter distance. Okay, and 30 millimeters distance. Another 39 millimeters distance. Perfect. Now we have the base of this project. We can extrude with a 4 millimeters. We can do the supports of the Arduino. Now we can add 6 millimeters for the support of the Arduino and make a circle of 5.5 millimeters. Another sketch. Now we can project these lines here and make the circles. the circles, hold the shift button, select all of them, make all four equal and 5.5 millimeters. Finish this cut. E for extrude. Now we can extrude a 6 millimeter high and make a chamfer of 1 millimeter on the base. Okay. And another chamfer of okay. Now for finishing this project, we need to add some chamfer. A 10 millimeter chamfer here, this corner, a 10 millimeter chamfer. Now we can add two chamfers with 5 millimeters here, chamfer of 5 millimeters. Three chamfers of 7 millimeters. It's here. 1, 2, and 3 of 7 millimeters. And 6 chamfers of 2.5 millimeters. Here, here. Okay. Same corner, 2.5 millimeters. And now it's finished the project. This is the support of Arduino for our CNC laser engraver. More videos are coming to this channel to make this project complete. You can add some color for this project here. Remember, if you want to download this drawing, click in the first link in the description and download this ebook for free. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.